Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Connect the iPhone to your computer and open Finder or iTunes. Put the device into recovery mode using its model-specific button sequence. Press and hold the side and volume buttons or home button until recovery screen appears. This forces the phone to be recognized as disabled and ready for restore. Once detected, the app prompts Update or Restore. Choose Restore to erase the device and reinstall iOS. Make sure your computer stays online and the cable remains connected during the next steps. After initiating Restore, the software downloads the latest iOS package and begins flashing the device. This can take 10–30 minutes depending on your connection. Monitor progress in Finder or iTunes. If the download times out and the phone leaves recovery mode, don't panic. Repeat the recovery mode entry and restart the restore. Once the restore completes, the phone reboots to the welcome screen. You'll then go through activation, which may require your Apple ID and password. Keep those credentials ready to re-enable the device. Once restored, follow on-screen setup steps. Choose language, Wi-Fi, and decide whether to restore a backup or set up as new. If activation lock shows, sign in with the original Apple ID to unlock. If the restore failed at any step, try a different cable, alternate USB port, or another computer to rule out hardware issues. If repeated attempts still fail, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store. They can run diagnostics and help with activation lock or hardware faults, so you can get back to normal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.